1 tablespoon can replace a ton of manure. From now on, you won't need to buy expensive plant products. This mixture can replace many different fertilizers, delivering incredible results in your garden. Here's how to make it. Prepare a blender. First, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar promotes the growth of soil microorganisms and increases the amount of organic matter, which helps plants grow and develop better. Add 3 small teaspoons of potato starch. Potato starch contains 3 essential elements for plant growth: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. These elements ensure that plants grow properly. Next, add a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is an effective fungicide and helps plants absorb nutrients. It also has antibacterial properties that protect plants from diseases. Pour half a liter of water into the blender and blend everything thoroughly to combine all the ingredients. Then, dilute the mixture with an additional liter of water. To use the mixture, measure out 1 cup and dilute it in 10 liters of water. Use this solution to water and spray the soil and plants. This is an excellent fertilizer for vegetables, flowers, and other garden plants. Do this for your garden. It will bloom like never before. Your plants will be healthy and strong. Start by preparing charcoal or briquettes without any chemical additives. Charcoal improves soil structure and protects plants from toxins. Use a hammer to crush the charcoal into smaller pieces. Place the crushed charcoal in a bucket and add some water. Mix it thoroughly. Now prepare a second bucket and add soil mixed with compost. Compost is a real treasure of nutrients. Add regular water or rainwater to the composted soil. Combine the contents of both buckets and mix. Cover the bucket and leave it for 2 to 3 days so the ingredients can blend well. Now, use this mixture to water your garden beds. Water the soil, and you'll see how quickly it becomes more fertile and full of life. With this method, your garden will be drought-resistant and provide you with abundant harvests all season long. A few drops will make strong and healthy seedlings grow from the seeds. This green rooting hormone will even stimulate old seeds to sprout. The plants will grow strong and healthy. All you need is to provide the seeds with 1 natural substance. You can prepare it yourself at home. You need aloe for it. It's an exceptional plant. Its leaf juice has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Thanks to this, the seeds germinate better. Take a smaller aloe leaf, cut it into smaller pieces. Aloe contains plenty of vitamins and micro and macro elements. They have a positive effect even on old seeds. Transfer the chopped leaf to a small blender. Pour about 1 glass of water. Turn on the blender and blend the aloe. In combination with water, it will be perfect for the seeds. Prepare a container with a capacity of about 1 glass and a strainer. Drain the water from the aloe. This way, you will get a fertilizer that contains valuable substances. Prepare a container with a lid. Line it with a paper towel. Moisten the towel with the green rooting hormone using a spoon. Sprinkle the seeds. I'm sowing tomatoes right now, but it can be any seeds. Close the container, and it's ready. Put it in a warm and sunny place. Regularly moisten the towel. After a few days, the seeds will start to sprout. You can also see how cabbage vegetables germinate. They are already perfect for pricking out. If you know how to stimulate seeds and how, you will have strong and healthy seedlings.
Cheap fertilizer for tomato seedlings. Making it costs less than $1. It is one of the best natural fertilizers and very easy to prepare. Take a handful of rice and put it in a glass bottle or jar, then fill it with water, preferably rainwater. Close it and keep it in a warm place for at least 1 day. During this time, the nutrients from the rice dissolve in the water. Then, simply strain the water and use it to water your seedlings. Use a syringe or a spray bottle if you're fertilizing small seedlings. This rice water is ideal. It contains plenty of phosphorus, magnesium, silicon, and iron. Thanks to it, plants are stronger and healthier, more resistant to diseases and adverse conditions. Seedlings grow faster, roots are strong, and the yields will definitely be better than in previous years. It's the perfect fertilizer for just a few cents. If you already have tomato seedlings in the ground, simply water them regularly with this water. A cheap and natural fertilizer for seedlings. Just soak it in water. Plants grow like crazy after using it. Small seedlings will shoot up and strengthen their roots. Put a large handful of oat flakes into a jar, then pour water over them, preferably rainwater. Close the jar and leave the flakes in the water for 2 days at room temperature. Then strain the mixture through a sieve and pour it into a spray bottle to use as a liquid fertilizer. Oats contain minerals and vitamins that stimulate root development. They also contain phosphorus, which aids in root formation. This fertilizer can be used for many vegetable seedlings grown in the garden. You can water small seedlings with oat water even before transplanting them into the garden, as well as those already planted in the soil. The oat flakes themselves can also be used as mulch for the soil. After using the oat water, it's best to bury the remaining flakes near the plants in the garden. This is a cheap and effective way to nourish seedlings. It can also be used for potted plants.
You must do this. Without it, your seedlings won't grow. Prepare a larger container and pour in 1 quart of warm water, which will speed up the release of active substances. Then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a true treasure for plants. It has antifungal properties, prevents mold, and protects young seedlings from diseases. Mix everything well and let it sit for 2 hours so the cinnamon can release its beneficial properties. After that, prepare another container, a strainer, and some gauze. Strain the liquid through the gauze to remove larger cinnamon particles. Now, using a funnel, pour the liquid into a bottle with a dispenser. This natural fertilizer and protective agent is a true gem for growing tomatoes and other vegetables. Regularly spray your seedlings with it to boost their immunity, prevent diseases, and ensure healthy growth. Try this trick and see the difference. Your tomatoes will thank you for it. Water your seedlings with this. It will speed up the growth of roots, stems, and leaves. It will strengthen young plants, making them more resistant to diseases and unfavorable weather conditions. To prepare it, you only need a few products you surely have at home. Pour 1 liter of warm water into a glass container. It's very important that the water is warm, not cold. Now add 2 packets of dried yeast. Yeast is a natural source of B vitamins, enzymes, and minerals that support root development, strengthen plant immunity, and accelerate growth. Mix everything thoroughly until the yeast dissolves. Pour the solution into a jar, seal it tightly, and leave it for 2 days to allow the yeast to ferment. This process is what makes the fertilizer really effective. After 2 days, simply open the jar and water your seedlings with it. You'll notice a change after just a few days. The leaves will become intensely green, the stems stronger, and the plants will look healthy and vibrant. It's a simple, homemade method that really works. No chemicals, no unnecessary expenses, just the best nature has to offer.